Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. As we begin, there are two common words, prompt and style, used in this new world that most people seem to be afraid of, when the process is very simple. So today, we're going to dwell on both of these words so that you feel completely comfortable and at ease and how they will benefit you. There are many sites that have instructions and tutorials on how to write styles and prompts. Of course, in due time, we want you to do that. However, we also want to teach you a shortcut so you can spring into action immediately and start utilizing ChatGPT today. Style is how you want the ChatGPT robot to reply to your inquiry. The robot is highly intelligent with vast knowledge on any subject. You want his reply to be on your level of inquiry. Speak to it as you would to a best friend, because he most likely will be. Susan, give my students your definitions of what a prompt is.
What is a prompt? It is your carefully submitted instructions that you are sending to an AI ChatGPT program in hopes of obtaining a detailed and accurate written response. It takes a well-thought-out prompt to get amazing results, whether you're writing, brainstorming, or just exploring.
Most people are afraid of ChatGPT because they do not know how to write a prompt. I'm here to tell you those days are gone. Today, we will teach you the process of dealing with ChatGPT robots and having them write the prompts for you. Our secret is out. First of all, you're dealing with an intelligent robot, and all we have to do is speak to the robot like a good friend, and you can begin by asking him to assist you on writing a prompt to gain information about any subject. I have tried this many times, and as I discovered, it is so easy and it makes life worthwhile. I will give you an example so you can get a rough idea of what I'm talking about. First of all, I already have a style that we have decided to use. I use an informal style ended with a period. Then I ask the question, beginning with quotation, please help me write a prompt as I am looking for information on Timbuktu for class. End of quote. ChatGPT said, informal style, in quote, describe Timbuktu's historical significance and then contrast it with its current situation. What are the major differences and continuities between its past prominence and its present-day status? I entered their prompt and received 5 paragraphs on the subject within 4 seconds. You could have spent hours in a library searching for the same information. Bless you. You have actually started to communicate with a robot. Now it's your turn on any subject. Enjoy. The fear is gone and it works for you. With the help of its memory function, ChatGPT may recall your previous discussions and user preferences. This implies that it will gradually become even more sensitive to your requirements and offer more pertinent and customized answers. While ChatGPT can adapt to your style and preferences, it's essential to remember that you are talking to a robot and not a human. The robot doesn't have feelings, emotions, or personal opinions. Recently, reasoning has been added, and it doesn't have values or moral understanding. However, by treating it with friendliness and providing clear instructions, you can create a comfortable and productive interaction experience.